Welcome back, YouTube. Today we're working on the old GMC Jimmy again, trying to get it ready for cause some chaos. We used to drive it, sell it, who knows. I'd like to bring it to North Iowa Truck Fest, which they finally announced is at the end of August. So hopefully we'll try a couple other events before that. But anyways, I'll show you guys what we've been working on. We'll jump over that. So as you can see, a guy went ahead, knocked the old tires off, so we get a good look at what we're working at for a drivetrain. I mean, the body's shot. You guys saw that in the last video, but hoping as long as we got a decent body to work with, shouldn't be too bad at racing. Anyways, I think we're going to throw a hub kit in it, so, you got the locking hubs, but maybe later down the road. It don't spin too bad. I mean, well, it was spinning when I had a tire on it, but it's got decent pads yet. He must have just did brakes before it got parked. And there's a small rust hole there, but otherwise, she's not too bad a shape. I mean, power steering pump must be leaking, but hey, it's a Chevy after all, so it's going to leak a little bit. We'll go over here. I mean, the tire's held on for a decent month or so, but it's a little too square to be a tire now, so we're down to two that hold air. So I think I'm going to jump on the old place, face, market, that. We're going to see if I can find some tires. Hopefully I can find a set of decent tires for this off a Cat Eye or Square Body or something. And they're this side, you can see where the old brake pad been sitting for 30 years being down in that parking garage. This side's a little worse. I'll show you in a minute. I guess the jack's opinionated now, making some noises. But anyways, I mean, it's not terrible. I mean, it's got that same hole there. I mean, what do you expect? A guy drove it in the winter as a winter car. But, yeah, there's that side. No terrible, but you go up like I'm here, we can see there's that hole. There's the battery tray. So, I don't know. We got some playing to do. We got some time to figure some more things out. I'm trying to decide how much I want to mess with the motor. I don't see where we end up with this video, but I can see where it might be leaking out of the front main a little. I haven't really rolled around this thing a lot to check, but we can see what happens if how much we mess with this. Then they did just drop the dates for at North Iowa Truck Fest. We're going to try to aim to get this at. That is kind of the middle of August, so I think we should be able to hit a couple other events before that. I mean, we'll see how this thing ends up at the end of the video. We'll kind of decide what I'm going to do with it. A guy might just dump it on the old book face marketplace and send her down the road, find something else. But yeah, I mean, suppose keep working on it, see where we end up. Let's see. So this is like 3 days later. Knocked the old master cylinder off. I think that's why we don't have brakes. Oh, here's it down here. It's it probably needs to do for a replacement. I did end up getting a new one. It's over here. It's the same. It's just, not rusted out. And I got a new fuel pump too. I think it won't pump fuel. So I'm hoping it just needs a new fuel pump. I don't know. We're going to run it out of a gas tank anyways. I don't trust what's in that tank quite yet. Need to get it drained. Yeah, I think we're going to hopefully see what that does. Yeah, I was going to film that, but completely forgot. So now we're here, so see what happens. Well, welcome to I don't know, day something or another. It moves, kind of. Here, we'll flip around. So it moves. It kind of stops. I got the brakes to come around. It's outside. That's an achievement. We're just gonna see if we can get a wash. The key doesn't shut it off though. That's just a minor inconvenience. You gotta get the old choke, and yeah, it's work in progress. Work in progress. We're back. It's been like several days. That's the last time But anyways, we'll flip back over here and we'll show you what's kind of going on. This thing doesn't shut off with a key. It starts with a key. Doesn't shut off with a key. So I need to figure out why the coil won't lose power. Master cylinder's on. We got some brakes. The fronts are a little weak, so we need to figure that out. Got some new shoes. Got some used tires. I sprayed all the rims black so it doesn't look horrible from a distance. But anyways, it's coming together. We'll flip over here quick to no, I just kind of did the same thing with the black or the back. Painted them black, the wheels. So up front, I'm gonna go up here. Throw some rubber lines at it, I think. Some calipers, that'll probably help it. I think we'll probably do shocks as well, just to knock it off our list here. But yeah, it should be kind of the plan for at the moment. Well, that's all for now. I guess stay tuned, see if we can get this thing ready for some racing. And, jump in the comments, any advice would probably help. Anything you guys think would help this thing run a little better, do better in the dirt drags. Just put it down there and watch for the next video.